Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, when people mess with the wrong cops, we'll take a look at real dashcam moments where reckless decisions led to instant consequences. These encounters show how quickly situations can escalate when the law is challenged. He not only attacked his own family, but now also attempted to attack the police. Reckless behavior only leads to an undesirable ending. She immediately paid the price for attacking a police officer with a knife. Police identified a theft suspect on Highland Avenue. When approached, the suspect attempted to flee and ignored police commands. Despite being shot, he refused to surrender and continued running. The cost of fleeing and defying the law always results in a far more severe outcome. When officers approached a man holding a knife who appeared out of control in order to assist him, he suddenly rushed toward them with the weapon in hand. Pepper spray and a taser were deployed but proved ineffective. Once the weapon was raised and all warnings were ignored, the outcome was almost inevitable.
Is that you? You don't hurt us. You don't want to hurt us, right? Where's the knife?
Police responded to a call reporting a man who was suicidal and armed with a knife. When officers made contact, he firmly refused to drop the weapon despite repeated warnings. The situation escalated when Mahan continued advancing toward officers with the knife. Challenging the law in a dangerous situation will never lead to a favorable outcome.
knife down. Put the knife down. Get down. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. All right, take him into custody.
Police made contact with a suspect involved in an arson and assault case. Despite repeated commands to stop, Bucknor continued advancing toward officers with a weapon in hand. Approaching law enforcement while armed with a knife instantly closed off any possible path of retreat. Officer Tyler Savage approached a pickup truck carrying 3 occupants and requested the driver's cooperation after observing suspicious behavior. A brief exchange inside the vehicle quickly turned into a disaster when the suspect suddenly opened fire on the officer. In just seconds, recklessness and violence led everyone to an irreversible cost. Confronting the law leads to only one outcome.
At that apartment complex.
But what began as a routine check quickly descended into chaos. After being approached by police, the suspect set a motorcycle on fire and fled. He not only refused to surrender, but also threw a trash can at officers and continued advancing toward them with a knife. The situation escalated further when he physically struggled with police. Defying the law has never ended well. After receiving a call, officers arrived to conduct a welfare check, but the suspect suddenly opened the door and immediately attacked police with a knife. A single moment of losing control pushed the situation far beyond its original purpose, and the law will not show leniency towards such actions. A pursuit of a dangerous suspect took place in Michigan. Armed with a weapon, he advanced toward officers while ignoring all commands, causing the situation to escalate rapidly. Challenging the law has only one ending. Defying the law did not help him escape responsibility. It only increased the price he had to pay. Despite officers patiently requesting his cooperation, he stubbornly refused, and the ending was entirely predictable.
Get on the ground! Go inside! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I don't want to shoot you!
Jesse Stringfield, one for making threats against civilians, attempted to flee when spotted by police. Despite being ordered to stop, he ignored commands and violently resisted when officers closed in. Defying the law never provides an escape, only the shortest path to consequences. The man was trespassing at a shopping center, and when police arrived, he refused to leave as instructed. Not only that, he threatened to kill and assault a female officer. Despite repeated and patient commands, he continued resisting, causing the situation to escalate. Attacking a police officer crosses a legal red line, and the consequences are unavoidable.
Listen, you know what? I said get the fuck out of here now.
Sir, he's still breathing.
What appeared to be a simple situation quickly spiraled out of control. The woman refused to provide identification, repeatedly shouted, argued, and ignored police commands. After multiple warnings proved ineffective, officers were forced to deploy pepper spray and physically remove her to make an arrest. Disregarding the law only leads to more serious consequences. As the video comes to an end, when people messed with the wrong cops reminds us how fast poor choices lead to consequences. What do you think about these situations? Were the outcomes avoidable? Share your thoughts in the comments below.